The Dog and the Donkey. A short moral story. Tom, a farmer, had a playful dog and a hard-working donkey. The dog spent his days running around, barking, and playing, while the donkey carried heavy loads and plowed the fields. One day, the farmer sat down for lunch and gave the dog a bone as a treat. The donkey watched, feeling jealous. Why does the dog get treats for doing nothing, while I work so hard? He thought. The donkey decided to act like the dog. He ran around the farmer, tried to bark, and even jumped playfully. But instead of a reward, he knocked over the table. Farmer became angry. Donkeys are not meant to act like dogs. He scolded and sent the donkey back to work. The donkey realized his mistake. He didn't need to copy the dog. His work was valuable in its own way. Later, the farmer rewarded him with fresh hay and a gentle pat. Moral: everyone has their own strengths and purpose. Instead of copying others, we should appreciate our unique abilities. Thank you for watching.